Hello friends, Jahin Shanovaruna. Today I'm here to talk to you about a very important subject. The start point, the takeoff point, personal information questionnaire. मैं कौन हूं? सुनकर मैं मौन हूं. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. The interviewing officer must know you well before you walk in for the interview. And that is only possible अगर आपने अपनी पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन क्वेश्चनेयर को अच्छी तरह से समझा, अच्छी तरह से फिल किया. Let me tell you something very interesting. When I appeared for the SSP many years back, the form was exactly same. Let me also tell you the form is not prepared by Army organization. It is prepared by Defense Research Development Organization. The form is DIPR, Institute of Psychological Research, form number 107 alpha, prepared by the scientists of DRDO. So it is a very kind of psychological form. The questions are very straight, but they have the indirect meanings. They actually find out the intricacies. They go into insights of you, and then they get many information from you without you even answering them in the interview. So very important to know how to fill PIQ and how to address each column properly. Especially example like population of the various addresses that you are giving in the column in the beginning itself has some meaning. And that is why when I teach the SSP online or offline, whichever way, or in hybrid mode, I take a lot of care to fill each form, and I take at least 2 to 3 classes to fill the PIQ properly. And in case if you are investing yourself early before the written examinations, then you build up certain things which can be written in the SSP and answered in a confident manner. It shouldn't happen that you plant something artificially. If you have time, you can build up, you can transform yourself, you can recondition, especially the columns of hobbies, interests, sports, extracurricular activities. There are different leadership traits. There are very different columns. People generally make mistakes of writing similar things in all the columns, and then they don't know how to academics mixed with the extracurricular activities. No, they are separate, very distinct. They have different meanings and different approaches to be answered. So if you are really interested in cracking SSP first time, first prepare your PIQ. When you prepare your PIQ, you will realize there are certain vacuums, there are certain compartments where you need to develop some things because you are not there, and then you start building up. So it's a double aim. Firstly, putting everything on the paper, and then realigning yourself to meet the standards of SSP. So therefore, please join early, start preparing yourself, know yourself, find the challenges, fit the targets, and then transform yourself. Keep watching more videos for SSP tips, mantras, and long-term slow-paced strategy to become army officers, defense officers in your future. Thank you. Jai Hind. Bye-bye. Take care.